Hello everybody. So today we are gonna look at insecure service permission. So it's from Windows privilege escalation from TryHackMe. So let's get started. So what we have already seen, what if the binary path is not properly coded, then we can get a privilege escalation, as well as we can get a save from this service executable file also. So now what we are using is access check. So if we do access check to THM service, so what we can see is there is a built-in user which got the full access. So for this we need to use a payload. So I'm just gonna use the earlier payload. So I'm just gonna listen to this port, and let me use that same command, right? So we get wget, then let me rename as 3. So this is gonna be on 3. Let's do enter. So let's check our file. So we have this file. So what we want to do is, after getting that right, so we give this permission to I so what we did was, let me just be on this location. So I have already used it, so let's create back. Okay, cd, I just want to be on C. So let's be inside user. So let me just check it. It's all users. Let's do. Let's see. No, we are inside THM on privilege. So THM. So there is a file. So THM on privilege. So let's do enter. Let's do dir for that. So we have this file called reverse service 3. So what we need to do is grant its a permission. So let's do iccls, and we have this rev service. So that's it. So grant, I need a slash, then you give a permission everyone, then f full permission. Then let's do config scconfig thm service binary path. Then it's gonna be on C, then it's on user, right? Then it's on thm on previewer. Then we have reverse service 3, then obj object locate local system. Let's see, failed. Why did it fail? So config thm serv. Always my spelling isn't correct. Service, let's do enter. Now we have successfully changed configure, right? So let's drop it. THM service, THM service, service. So what's wrong with it? Failed. The service has not been started. So then let's do HDRT So we are listening at there. So let me just get a little bit up, and then and THM service. Let's do enter. Now we have successfully got the uh sale. So we can do who am I. So we have the anti-authority. So we have the desktop privilege. So thank you guys.